If you guys are looking for a single story new construction home in the low 500s, well, today we're here at Glenmore One and we're going to be previewing one of their move-in ready homes, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Right, so welcome to the Plan 1742. Now this is a move-in ready home by Century Community here in Glenmore One. Now this is 1742 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, single story. Now the builders are motivated to sell all their available inventory before the end of the year. That they have like the best incentives right now. For example, this house, now this one's priced at $524,640, but with the incentive, their price incentive at the moment, if they sell it by December, you can bring it down to $507,140. Plus, if you use their in-house lender, you get 6% you could use towards your closing costs. So you could pay off your closing costs and you could even buy down your interest rate with that. Okay, so we're here in Cadence. So Cadence, 30 minutes east, Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Great master plan community, plenty of amenities, so it's great for families. You even have access to a swimming pool. You have parks close by. And the HOA is only about, I believe it's like $75 a month. But yeah, let's check out this move-in ready home. So with this community, you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings, which makes a huge difference. Now the house is pretty much done, but you'll see they still have some things that they need to touch up. Okay, so when we get right here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. That's gonna be 1 bedroom. You'll have another bedroom right over here. And then this is gonna be your main living room area, okay? So it's your living room, kitchen, dining room, backyard, and primary bedroom. All right, but yeah, we'll start in the front of the house. So right here, you're gonna have your first bedroom. Okay, you do have your coat closet. Looks like all the interior doors are gonna be the 2-panel doors. Looks like this one's also gonna have its own walk-in closet as well. Yeah, take a look at that. Nice walk-in closet. Okay, this is going to be the room that's going to be in the front of the house. Right across, we got the laundry room as well. Okay. Oh yeah, looked at the coat closet. So it's gonna be the washer and dryer. Okay. Well, the washer and dryer is not included, but I mean, if you are interested in the house, let me know. There's some things that we can. I could definitely tell you what's negotiable or not. Most likely, we can. If you're moving in December, we could probably get you those appliances. Okay. So this is the garage. High ceilings. Okay, water softener loop, tankless water heater. Okay, got the rainbird irrigation over there. There's the other bedroom. Now these doors are also 8-foot doors, so they're pretty high. Okay. So this is the second bedroom. So it's not a walk-in closet, but it is a pretty wide closet. Okay, so you got some cabinet space right over here as well. And looks like they're missing some of the mirrors in the bathrooms. So that's something they still have to install. So you have your shower tub right here, fiberglass. Okay, medicine cabinet. Nice, you got some cabinet space here. Nice, I like this color. It's kind of it's like a cream color. Okay, again, laundry room. You have the upper cabinets. See a nice and open. I love that Century in this community. They have that, you know, the thick, it's like thick right here. Because I think when you have that thick quartz on the island, it just makes it look more luxurious. Okay, so got the white cabinets. KitchenAid. Looks like got the KitchenAid microwave. Okay, Whirlpool oven. Stainless steel undermount sink. Cool, and they also have an RO system in here, which is nice. Not too many builders offer an RO system. So you got the built-in cooktop, beautiful backsplash. It's kind of like a higher tier quartz right here with the hood. Okay. Nice cabinets. Here, we'll take a look at the backyard. So it's a decent sized backyard. Nothing too crazy. Okay. It's nice that you do have this covered patio and you have the pavers underneath it. If you're looking to landscape your backyard, I mean, it won't cost like too much because I mean, you're only landscaping this over here. Just kind of depends on what you do. You could keep it cost pretty affordable. Okay. Cool. So there's your gas stub. You got your hose bib right there. The floor is darker flooring. It does have a hint of brown as well as gray. So it has like a, you know, dark gray. You see some light gray. You see a little bit of brown in there as well. Okay, so I'll take you guys to see the primary bedroom. Now, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes and you know, you're thinking about just stopping by a community and taking a look for your very first time, you know, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you your very first visit to the new construction community. You want to make sure that you're registered within a realtor. Otherwise, if you go there by yourself, they're going to put that you don't have any representation, and they won't allow you to have representation if you buy later on. The reason that's important is because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, but realtors like myself, we look after your best interest. So we're always trying to find ways to negotiate for you, hold the builders accountable, making sure the process is run smoothly for you. Okay. So this has like the walk-in shower, which is really nice. Yeah, so they're just missing like the glass and the mirror. Okay. Yeah, so you got the medicine cabinets. It's the walk-in closet. All right. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think of this move-in ready home. Again, if you guys have any questions, curious to know, yeah, just have any questions at all, just shoot me a text, give me a call. You know, I'd love to help you guys out. Again, move-in ready homes, if you are looking for the best deal, a lot of builders are very motivated to get these homes out, these homes sold before the end of the year. So, you know, if you're on the fence, I mean, definitely a good time. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.